Natasha with Simply Adorable Creations here, and I have a fun DIY for you for your Easter displays. Let me tell you what you're going to need to make this. You're going to need some grass, some fun Easter grass, some circle shapes from Michael's, a crate from Dollar Tree, some pom-poms, and a little foam block that I got from Dollar Tree. Also some paint, some black, white, and brown. Now I'm just going to paint on this crate. I'm going to do kind of a distressed look. So the first is, and it's all really girls about layering. You cannot go wrong with this method. So what I do first is start with the brown. I do want to leave a little bit of the wood look on there just to add a little bit of extra dimension to it. So I put my brown on there, and now I'm going to use my chip brush, and I'm going to add in a little bit of white, and you really cannot go wrong with this. And then the last thing I'm going to do is add hints of black around the crate, and this is going to create like a faux wood grain look to the crate, and so you really cannot go wrong here. Then I'm going to take my little foam piece, I cut it in half, and I stuck it inside of the crate. And I used some hot glue, a little bit of hot glue, and then stuck the little grass on top of the crate. And then what I did was I went ahead and kind of painted the little edges of the crate so that you can't see a lot of the wood look again. That's not necessary, but I thought it looked better that way. Next, I'm going to take my little wood shapes that I got from I got those from Michael's, and they were only like $2, so you can grab them there. I'm going to paint it white to create my bunny butt. So I painted it white. I just used a regular old brush. You can use any kind of brush to do that, a foam brush or a regular brush. So now I'm going to paint the little pink. I'm going to use some pink paint, and I'm going to make like the bunny feet. And so I'm trying to make it match this pattern here. It's going to have like it's three dots in a circle. And it doesn't matter if it looks, see, mine is not perfect, but in theory, that's just what I was going for. Those 4 dots, the big dot, and then the 3 dots on the top to make it look like some feet. And then I'm going to just give it a little bit more dimension by adding some little black dots and swirlies. That's what I call them. It's not a technical term. I call them swirlies. And I think that just makes it stand out just a little bit more. And then the next thing I'm going to take is I'm going to use a skewer that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to paint it white. So I'm painting it white just so that it looks like it fits in with the bunny, so that it blends in with it. You could totally leave the skewer in its natural state. And then I'm going to take some hot glue after I trim down that skewer a little bit, and I'm going to stick that on the back of my bunny butt. Be careful when you're using the hot glue because you can definitely get your hands. Okay, the last step is to stick the bunny down into the styrofoam, and then I'm going to take some carrots that I got from Dollar Tree, and I got those from Hobby Lobby and from Dollar Tree. Those little ones, the smaller ones, I got from Dollar Tree. The bigger ones I got from Hobby Lobby. And there you have it, the cute little cabbage patch. The cute little carrot patch that's gonna go on my tiered tray. So what do you think? I think it turned out so adorable. It is super cute, and it looks really good on my tiered tray. So tell me what you think about this one. If you liked it, remember to comment, like, and subscribe.